In this video, I'm going to show you how to put ChatGPT chats over to Gemini. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a Gemini like you normally would. Then you want to go to the bottom left and select over here where it says settings and help. Then you want to go ahead and select on import memory to Gemini. Please go ahead and select on that. Then it is going to give you a prompt that you're able to go ahead and copy. So press on copy just like so. Now from here, please open up ChatGPT like you normally would. Okay, and once you're here in ChatGPT, what you want to do before you actually type in the prompt is go to the bottom left, select on your profile picture, then select on settings just like so. Then go to left menu and select on personalization. And once you're here in personalization, please go ahead and scroll down and then make sure that reference chat history and reference saved memories is turned on because we will need this in order to get the best results possible. But anyways, once you have that turned on, then you're able to go ahead and enter in the prompt and then just press on enter just like so. Now wait for ChatGPT to load in the information about you. All right, now that it finished the prompt, go ahead and press on copy, return back over to Gemini. Then you want to go over here to where it says paste result and then paste it. Then press on add memory just like so. All right, there you go. And then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.